Fans, welcome to Omero TV. Please don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up for my YouTube channel, Omero TV. God bless you. My people, congratulations to me, Edochie. So, this story when I carry come give una is coming from Yul Edochie. This is not coming from me. If it's coming from me, I dey tell una say, I said. But this one is Yul Edochie said. Okay? This story is coming from Yul Edochie. Yul Edochie is angry. The man is not happy as he revealed some shocking secrets of May Edochie. This period, Yul Edochie has been revealing secrets about May Edochie. Since when May Edochie and AY post that video, it be like say our Nollywood actor, he has become so restless that he have to come out and say this. So before I give you the information, according to Yul Edochie, make I first tell me Edochie congratulations if what Yul Edochie is saying is truth. So Yul Edochie said, when they carry matter go divorce courts to divide the properties, May Edochie came with some surprising documents which he never expected from May Edochie. So, according to Yul Edochie say, in that marriage, he left with nothing. He said people will not understand the pain in him. He said he left with nothing. Remember, before you begin to say, oh, Yul Edochie poor man, marriage now wetin you bring in, now you go with. That is Nigeria marriage. Wetin you add, wetin you contribute, now you go carry go aso. The last time we check, Oga did not come with anything. Mbano. Oga came empty-handed. And the little money when he work, he used and take thank Judy Austin and the family. He used and take thank Judy Austin and the family. He was not contributing in any growth in his marriage. So when marriage end, Ogana, go back with your empty hand. Because Yul Edochie think say, as a name dey property, even if he not donate 1 naira, he go still carry the property. That's why he was forcefully telling May Edochie say, whether May Edochie like it or not, she no get choice than to accept Judy Austin. Now Yul Edochie don't cry come as I say May Edochie cheated on him. When I mean cheat, not cheating with a man, but with their properties and assets. Yul Edochie say he just come to find out that May Edochie don't buy house tete for London. So, for those people where they talk say, May Edochie, every time London. Una actor, because they say who wear shoe, now you know where they pay now. You not fit tell person where leg they pay for shoe, say, now your right leg they pay you when it be say now left they pay now. Yul Edochie don't use the mouth confirm and say, May Edochie has been traveling to London for a very long time. Say no be today, now May Edochie starts to dey go London. Because she was not famous, because she was not out there in the media, you don't know the kind of life she was living. Not be today May Edochie dey go London. Not be this situation carry and go London. She has been traveling to London. With this story one I 1 year so, now una go know the potentials of May Edochie. I like strong women. Women that knows their rights. Women that are quiet but they have action. May Edochie know they talk, they do, they fight, but she gets actions. So, according to una actor, he said that time May Edochie they travel, they go London. But what he did not know was that May Edochie bought a house in London. According to Yul Edochie, May Edochie have cousins in London. He get family people many for London. So he said, May Edochie go saying they go London. I want to go and see this my cousin. I want to go and see this my auntie. This one just give birth. But what you no know say during those journey, May Edochie buy house for London. Say May Edochie get a house for London. So Yul Edochie say when they do Yul Edochie say when they do the divorce, they ask them to submit all properties, even the ones who personally belong to May Edochie. He not consign them all properties. Now they say make they submit. Yul Edochie say May Edochie not submit house when he dey for London. He just find out say May Edochie don't buy that house even before they even talk say they want divorce. So the house now him carry his children go for London that time. May Edochie dey go London like backyard. He go say, I want to see my sister. He say na lie. He say be that she don't buy house, she get right to visa to travel to London like backyard. So during the time when they say me they carry property Concord, May Edochie not carry the house when he dey London Concord. May condition no hook us, to the extent we go dey wait me our mates put food for our table. To fear aqua. We go dey put eye for people things before we think of how to eat. May God don't let our condition critical like that. Yul Edochie life is so critical that he starts doing research on the properties when May Edochie get and when May Edochie not get. So according to Yul Edochie, it is against the law. I don't know who give him the law. Because Yul Edochie, if you wake up every morning, in the create your law. Now when he reach court, don't go bankara head, he had declare. Yul Edochie say according to the law, because the judge said they should submit all property. Why is May Edochie hiding the house in London? For that reason, Yul Edochie say he wants to sue May Edochie back to their divorce courts. This time around, that house for London, May Edochie need to sell it and they will share the money into two. Hey, this longer throat not too much. This olori buruku ole ni ole buruku ole ni ole. It not come too much. Hey, so the woman now, according to una actor, cause now una dey watch a movie, now make me dey call her una actor. Una actor say May Edochie need to sell house when he dey London because May Edochie hide that house the time when they say me they submit all their property. He say why May Edochie not submit the house when he dey London. According to Yul Edochie, he say he himself no know say May Edochie don't get house for London. Now person can carry matter can tell and say, that your wife not small. Your wife get house for Obodo Oyibo. We dey talk of Lagos, Abuja, Enugu, Ebonyi State, Inteje. So your wife still get house for London. After say they need to sell the house, make May Edochie give her half of the house. Yul Edochie say May Edochie has been deceiving him in that marriage. While he was investing into the marriage, May Edochie was investing in herself, on herself. My people, una see the way una to talk this story. It's not sweet for una ear. Who hear and I go say, as una actor waiting use his own money because they were paying him. Ask him what he use money to do. When May Edochie was investing. Now for this house, when he did for London, number one, they asked them to submit all their properties in Nigeria and not their properties when he did for Obodo Oyibo. Not their properties in Obodo Oyibo, but their properties in Nigeria. How Nigeria judge wanted to settle house when he dey for obodo oyibo. The judge know whether May Edochie dey pay small for the house. He know how they take dey calculate their that one na oyibo side. He no get anything to do with Nigeria property. Na Nigeria property na they say make they submit. And meanwhile, the same house when Yul Edochie dey cry put now, me never confirm am from May Edochie. It is coming from Yul Edochie. Me never confirm am. Now Yul Edochie dey talk am now say May Edochie na get the house. She has been hiding it from him. If May Edochie happen to be the owner of this house and is hiding it from Yul Edochie, I will be the happiest person. Yeah. Because if to say he put your name, no be as you dey ask say make this woman come sell the house, make una share the money. Now so if for go sell house when she use her sweat stay buy, because now only you confirm her now say your 1 naira not there. Only now so the woman for sell the house now carry the money share her into two give you. You go use and take trim her dog for our own sweat. We may be wise, oh, be wise. Even if a man has his own money, the man is rich. No look and say your own not going to enter eye, especially if you are a successful woman. Some men just won't collect your own, join their own. They want you to be under them. They don't want me you excel past them. And even if you are greater than them, they want you to be submitting the money on their hand. Make the day control over everything where you get. Now wait till the pepper Yul Edochie be this. When he say people carry, come tell and say, May Edochie na get the house where they for Obodo na London. Your children not even tell you. Your children not tell you. He say no. Now Yul Edochie begin provoke. Say he won't carry house where May Edochie buy for Obodo Oyibo. I never know whether na May Edochie get am. Like I say, I've not confirmed it. This is coming from Yul Edochie. So if May Edochie truly is the owner of the house, Yul Edochie want to sue May Edochie to court, so that house, they will sell it and share the money into two. I don't know whether Yul Edochie thinks Obodo Oyibo na Nigeria. That house now, for Obodo Oyibo, everything they write am down. Every receipt, they have it. As where Oga no buy. As where Oga no put 1 naira. You won't collect half money. They go feed Judy Austin and her children. My people. So Yul Edochie say he's not keeping quiet anymore. He said the same story for America. After May Edochie born Zayn, he say May Edochie mama, the house where they buy for America, they give that house to May Edochie. He say he's a living witness when May Edochie tell him say, the mama house where they America, say his sister say make she carry. Say she has already. She make May Edochie carry the house. Yul Edochie say that house they put on for rent for America. That money May Edochie use and open account for America. As in they talk now, that money is going into May Edochie account. Any day when May Edochie pull leg for America like this, any day when May Edochie pull leg for America like this, her money is in account waiting for her. House dey there waiting for her. All these are the things when May Edochie not submit. When judge say bring property, both home and abroad, now May Edochie suppose bring. For where God for come punish Yul Edochie. Yul Edochie come talk say, he try to make peace reign. He try to do this thing quietly, whether May Edochie go understand. Make he give her his share. But it look like May Edochie has become adamant. Una dey hear? That means all those trying to let's come back and May Edochie trying all those re when he do follow May Edochie. Now because of these Obodo Oyibo properties. Because of this Obodo Oyibo property. Now Yul Edochie dey confirm her now. He say May Edochie get house for London. He said their mama, their parents' house for Obodo Oyibo, they gave it to May Edochie. And the house, they've been paying rent since when they born Zayn. How many years Zayn they now? He said May Edochie never touched the account. Do you know how much is there? All these are money that is made to be shared between them. Yul Edochie, if they not give you 0.5% for Nigeria property, now obodo oyibo they'll come give you. And only you still they use your mouth, they talk and say, na house when the papa and the mama buy. When the sister look, he say, no, I have my own. May Edochie, you take this one. So May Edochie should sell her parents' house, or rather, carry the money way of the house when she inherits from her parents, come share with you. As in you, as he say Mary Jofo, Ezedike one of Itenje, or what? Who are you? Efulefu, a Wintenje. So this woman should carry her property that she inherited from her father. Carry the money, come give you. Oga one name. The house when she buy for London, you don't know how she take pay am. You don't know anything. You also want her to give you half from that same house. This husband, the longer throat not be here. This man ole buruku, ole nie, ole buruku. Now this one make her just they say, oh, May Edochie come back. The man knows a lot of property where May Edochie gets. You know, say after the divorce now, you don't even know who to trust. Maybe there is somebody May Edochie tell, the person who can't tell person who can't tell person. Now Yul Edochie say, yeah. If now in they talk and say, all this property, he wants half of his share. May Edochie should come and share it with him. May Edochie cannot be a house owner in London, a house owner in America. He said, na the one way he know. He said, that Spain where May Edochie they go, so see that they suspect her. That woman knows how to buy properties. May Edochie if he don't get house for Spain, or he don't the I1I, he don't the I1 house for Spain. He say he know May Edochie very well. She's a woman that like investment. For her money to sit down for bank, they breathe. May Edochie will carry that money to go do one business. Even if that business risk, she not care. She go risk am. She's a risk taker. He said that Spain, he don't they suspect her. He said the way she they go Spain, He say May Edochie get house for them. Every time she reach there, they'll just stamp visa. How many people they reject their visa? He say a lot of celebrities, they tell come outside. He say many they will go before they receive visa. They go sweat like this. He say but May Edochie go join entire banks and so they stamp her. They give her. He say now so they stamp her and they give May Edochie. She don't have problem. Because she have a house there. She's a resident in that country. See, though they suspect Spain. So, Yul Edochie is asking for May Edochie to sell all this property and share the money with him. He has right to that money. As a husband, I be as S. I not gonna know the position. Longer throat. I don't know position where I won't put in a So all these are the assets when he make Yul Edochie they cry, follow May Edochie. He say he don't try to do everything possible to convince May Edochie. The convincing is not convincing. So he decided say the best way to go about it now court. Because the last thing he will do now make him not take 1 naira out of all this property. He said the last thing he will do. So if you don't know about this property before and you just find out Yul Edochie, that means this woman did not use your money. It's her money. It's her money. You never complained of her taking money from you. You never complained of her, oh, I spent my money on her. I never hear Yul Edochie do that complaint. His only complaint is always how to share property with May Edochie. Like saying, property make this man marry this woman. He already see and say, ground wet for them. Now I push his head enter because I no can understand. How will you be fighting for inheritance property? I'm not talking about this London now because London is say May Edochie bought it. The one in Obodo for America. May Edochie say, Yul Edochie say in her house where May Edochie papa and mama give her. So she should also say that one. Before she go say that one, you go still go say your papa has come now. Say your papa has come. Make una come share am. Say you dey find property. Ole bruku. Hey, my people, wonder shall never end. The worst thing to do is to marry a desperate, hungry man. A man that want to feed on you. Now these things, they pepper am for body. Now these things they chop am. He say he's taking me Edoche to court. Not be that one where you dey carry charge and bail lawyer. If you carry me Edoche go court because of international property, you go international prison. I think you know I'm bingo. So since you want to sue me Edoche for all this property, carry better lawyer. Carry strong lawyer. Because now your hand now we see say person they beat person on top of your own property. Longer truth, olori buruku, oleniye. My lovely fans, what do you guys think? If it is true, congratulations to me Edoche. Yes, so I will say congratulations. Because that is a tough woman. Having a house in London, having a house in America, and according to Yul Edochie, say he suspects say me Edochie go don get for Spain. Because the way that they stamp and visa, say don't they suspect. So what do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section. This is Omero TV. God bless you.